Ese.
Ay, que se va.
This is NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Station WXL 57 at Des Moines, Iowa, transmitting on 162.55 megahertz.
No, estoy así.
This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service at Des Moines, Iowa. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 254, effective until 9 p.m.
Already were.
This watch includes the following counties in Iowa:
Ese no sé qué
Adair,
le compramos
Boone,
a eso.
Clark, Dallas, Greene, Guthrie, Jasper, Madison, Marion, Polk, Story, and Warren. Remember,
Give
a
them.
severe
I'm
thunderstorm
not gonna
watch.
give it to
The
them.
conditions are
Gonna be
favorable
solid.
for the
Yo
development
no le
of
voy a dar
severe
nada
weather,
todavía.
including large hail
Se
and
rasca
damaging
como
winds
señora cabrona.
in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. These are the